Probiotics are live microorganisms that are naturally found in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. They can be found in foods like yogurt, milk, and juices, as well as in dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. These microorganisms are important for maintaining a healthy balance in the body, but certain conditions like antibiotic use or travel can disrupt this balance. Probiotics can help to restore normal flora and improve digestion. They have been used to treat various bowel problems such as diarrhea and irritable bowel, as well as conditions like eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. It's important to check the label of your particular probiotic product to understand its specific uses. Some products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's always a good idea to consult with your pharmacist for more information about the brand you are using. As always, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details about the safety and effectiveness of probiotics for your individual needs. And remember, probiotics can be found in foods as well as supplements, so there are several options for incorporating them into your daily routine. When taking Ideal Bowel Support 10 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. Depending on the specific product, the dose may need to be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If using the liquid form, it's essential to carefully measure the dose using a special measuring device/spoon. It's important not to use a household spoon as it may result in an incorrect dose. If there are any questions, it's best to consult with a doctor or pharmacist. Some probiotic products may contain live bacteria, such as bifidobacteria, and antibiotics may prevent these products from working effectively. It's recommended to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics, following the specific product directions. If using this product for diarrhea due to antibiotics, it should not be used if there is a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by a doctor. In such cases, there may be a serious problem that requires medical treatment. If the condition lasts or worsens, or if there is a concern about a serious medical problem, it's important to seek medical help immediately. If you experience stomach gas or bloating, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Serious side effects such as signs of infection or allergic reactions are rare, but it's important to seek medical help immediately if you experience any of these symptoms. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your healthcare provider if you notice any other effects. Remember to always consult your doctor for medical advice about side effects. Before taking Ideal Bowel Support 10 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, or if you have certain health conditions such as prolonged diarrhea, weakened immune system, or diabetes. It's also important to let your doctor know if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. And if you are planning to have surgery, inform your healthcare provider about all the products you are using. Always consult with your doctor before using this product. It's important to be aware that probiotics may interact with certain medications, potentially affecting how your medications work or increasing your risk for serious side effects. This is not a complete list of all possible drug interactions, so it's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics include antibiotics, antifungals, such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, nystatin. Be sure to discuss any concerns about potential interactions with your healthcare provider. And always follow their guidance on the best time to take Ideal Bowel Support 10 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms and the appropriate daily dosage for your individual needs. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments. Some brands of Ideal Bowel support 10 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora. Microorganisms may also contain other ingredients, such as fiber or inulin. It's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about the ingredients in your brand. If you forget to take a dose, just take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, then just skip the missed one. Don't take extra doses to make up for the missed one. Take your next dose at the usual time. When it comes to storing probiotics, it's important to note that different types may have different requirements. Some may need to be kept in the refrigerator, while others do not. Be sure to check the product packaging for specific instructions on how to store your probiotics. If you're unsure about the best way to store your product, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist for guidance. And as with all medications, make sure to keep them out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of probiotics, it's important to do so in a responsible manner. Avoid flushing them down the toilet or pouring them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly dispose of any expired or unneeded products. If you're unsure of the best way to do this, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.